So, sir, till now we talked about what will be the benefits of the internship for a student and how he can approach someone for the internships. Now, I would like to ask you that how internship benefit the organizations, because organizations, they are giving them a kind of training, they're making them something learn, they're not getting some outcome out of that. So, how these benefit them?
Okay, definitely there is a benefit for an organization. Without benefit, nobody will be recruiting an intern. So first thing
Mhm.
is it's a valuable support for a business with a low cost. Okay, if I have to hire a full-time employee, I have to go with a salary range on that particular industry, which all the business may not be able to afford.
Exactly.
Okay, supposing I
Okay.
have to keep an accounts executive, minimum 15,000 or 20,000 I have to pay.
Mhm.
Okay. Rather, if I take an accounts intern, I have to pay just 3,000 or 2,000, which is a cost saving for me. Number one.
Yeah.
And number two, I can save my time, employees' productivity time, where he can involve in more productivity rather than unproductive work.
Exactly.
In terms of okay, there is a salesperson in my organization, sales manager in an organization. My expectation from a sales manager is to bring a lot of sales. Okay, rather than
Exactly.
doing follow up or doing MIS work in system or Excel sheet. These are all the unproductive work where sales manager will be investing a lot of time in this. Rather, I recruit a in sales intern and attach to a sales manager so that sales intern can do all the unproductive work. Okay,
Mhm.
so I can save my all my productive work to a sales manager and then a lot unproductive work to the sales intern, and he will also be working and doing a lot of contribution to the organization. And
Okay.
we are also building a lot of pool that okay, if I recruit a five six people as a sales team, tomorrow if there is a need I can immediately pick up from the interns. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
rather than doing a fresh hiring. Okay, because
Exactly.
during the 3 months and 6 months process he already know what is happening in the industry, he already know what is the product, all that he
Exactly.
already know. So somebody suddenly resigns, I can immediately pick up from the intern and then put it in my place.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's the benefit of an organization where it saves time, it saves cost, it saves effort. Okay,
Exactly.
that's
Yeah.
the benefit of a organization. Especially low cost hiring is the best key for the organization where they get getting resources with a very low cost. That's the best
Oh,
benefit of an organization. If you're looking for a one-to-one job counseling, connect with me with talkmat.io/gskumar.